One of the perils that a small business owner faces is infringing the intellectual property of other people. And there are some steps you can take to avoid doing that. The first step is to do your due diligence, do the research, have the trademark search done, have the patent search done. Make sure that your intellectual property, your name, your brand, your invention doesn't already belong to somebody else. The second thing you can do is to be very careful about using third-party content. Don't just copy and paste from the internet. Please don't do that. That's copyright infringement just on its face. If you want to use the content that belongs to somebody else, make sure that you have written permission to do that. That permission must be in writing, statute of frauds. If you want to use intellectual property that's not covered by fair use or a license, then at least get some kind of clearance, okay? You may have to get the license. You may have to get some kind of agreement, some kind of writing to do that. And you may have to pay that rights holder in order to use that intellectual property. If you're creating new content, congratulations. That's very creative of you. But be mindful of any intellectual property that you are using that might belong to other people. So just make sure you get permission to use before you use. Okay. If you're unsure about any of this, talk to your friendly local IP lawyer and not so local IP lawyer, and get your questions answered before you get yourself into deep weeds. Oh, and protect your own intellectual property. Register the trademarks, get the patents, and get the copyright. So that when somebody comes along and infringes you, you have that documentation in place so that you can protect your IP.